Greetings everyone. In order to honor and remember the indomitable soul and selfless service to the nation by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, we are here to celebrate his birthday as Prakaram Divas. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, an icon of patriotism. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, considered the most revered freedom fighter of India, was born on January 23, 1879 in Cuttack. His famous slogan, "You give me blood, I will give you freedom," has continued and inspired many more even today.
When Subhash Chandra Bose started schooling, he came out brilliant and scored top ranks throughout his study in schools and universities. He completed his BA in philosophy with a first class score in 1918. He was strongly influenced by the teachings of Swami Vivekananda and was known for his patriotic zeal as a student. He also adored Swami Vivekananda as his spiritual guru.
Bose's father wanted him to become a civil servant and therefore sent him to the England to appear for Indian Civil Service examination. In that exam, he was fourth and with highest marks in English. But he urged for participating in the freedom movement which was intense that in April 1921. So Bose resigned from the Indian Civil Service and came back to India.
He later joined the Indian National Congress and also elected as the president of Youth Wing Party. Bose had been the leader of the younger, radical and wing of the National Congress Party in the late 1920s and early 1930s, rising to become the president of Indian National Congress in 1938 and 1939. Later he was expelled from the party's leadership position in 1939 following the differences with Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Bose always believed that non-violence would never be sufficient to secure India's independence and advocated violent resistance. On the outbreak of war, Bose protested against the Viceroy's decision to declare war on India and led the mass campaign of civil disobedience. He escaped from India in 1941 and went to Germany to support and work for India's independence.
Bose traveled to a number of countries, including the Soviet Union, the Nazi Germany, and Imperial Japan, so as to seek alliance with each and to attack the British government in India. In 1943, he came to Singapore to lead the Indian Independence League and to rebuild Azad Hind Fauj or the Indian National Army.
Under his leadership, thousands of ex-prisoners and civilian volunteers from Malaya and Burma joined the army, and together they fought to drive the British imperial rulers out of the country. Along with the Japanese army, they brought independence to Andaman and Nicobar Island and came all the way to Manipur in India.
He established the Azad Hind radio station in Germany and led the Indian nationalist movement in East Asia. Sources reported that the death of Subhash Chandra Bose was caused after his overloaded Japanese plane crashed and Bose suffered third-degree burns. After his death, several conspiracy theories suffered.
Although it was believed that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose died in a plane crash on 18 August 1945, his body was never recovered. There have been many theories put forward regarding his disappearance. The Government of India has set up a number of committees to investigate the case and come out with truth.